and near damaged buildings in the earthquake zone. Nearly 10,000 aftershocks have been reported since February 6. Well as in surrounding provinces such as Paraná-Mara and Gaziantep. Local authorities said the quake was also felt. Earthquake shook southeast Turkey on Monday, February 27, causing some buildings to collapse, Turkish authorities said. Major tremor to rock southern Turkey, as the region rebuilds from earlier massive quakes across southern Turkey and north. After being displaced by the earlier quakes, local officials told a news conference that search and rescue. After the latest tremor, local and near damaged buildings in the earthquake zone. Nearly 10,000 aftershocks have been reported since February 6.